Hello Aries, welcome everyone, welcome to our divine family. Beautiful read guys, which is all regarding we are gonna talk about August month. Okay, so properly the whole month, how it is, it's gonna be every detail aspect of it is what we're gonna talk about. And yes, the cards begins here from the Eight of Cups, then the Ace of Pentacles. Let's just watch what the cards coming up and popping out for you people in the August month, properly August month. Magician is here. Okay dude, I hope that you people have already subscribed to our channel, those who haven't yet. Small request guys from our side to please do subscribe and do follow us. Okay, are you all, yes, wait a minute, so that we gather huge informations from the reading. Aries, I was telling you people that if you really can post this or post our share our video through your status, social media status, it'll be very fine for us, and a lot of people would be engaged to look up at our reads. Okay, so August month for the Aries people, universe is telling a lot of things. I need to explain it to you. Aries, especially the ones who are connected to our channel, especially the regular watchers of ours, I think till now you would have that whole of the thing where you would be able to understand and resonate it with all of it. First of all, I feel here that you are walking away from something. Truly, I feel that whatever was your past, how bad your past was, you're just not giving attention to any of it. Now, what is the process you're taking ahead? Your process you're taking ahead is to, go and have a new beginning with your own self. Now, why am I saying this? The very first thing for the full August month, the whole month you're gonna engage yourself into accomplishing your manifestations. Genuinely, I think there is a new beginning coming up, especially in the terms of materialistic world. It's gonna be a different way and a version of yours. You're gonna shine. A lot of benefits and profits I can see over here. Definitely something tangible in your hands is coming up, and this particular I feel the new beginning is going to come in very flourishing manner, in a very abundance, and bringing in prosperity. Also, I feel here that, my lovely Aries, you're trying to be too much grounded, trying to look yourself up. Your priority is you yourself first, and then any other person, because you are really desiring for having a beautiful life ahead in the future. Your success matters to you a lot. And Aries, I feel that in the August part, your enthusiasm will be very high. It's going to be at the top of the level, where I feel that you're giving attention to yourself, to improvising yourself, and doing a lot of things. Okay, universe, please guide us with much more cards, what it is all about. Through us, with the more cards for the Aries people. Okay. We have the Hierophant and the Nine of Cups. As I said, it's all so beautiful. Partnership is coming up, and this partnership is something where you really want and desire for the long-term commitments. Yes, true commitments are coming up. Now, this commitment is not a very lenient kind of a thing. It's going to be very high. It's going to be raising standards as well. And Aries, what you always were desiring from the past few times, and what you always wanted this individual to enter your life, to build a happy home with this individual, to share a cozy time with them, everything is coming up, everything. And I definitely do feel here that Aries, your wish fulfillment is going to accomplish. August month is something where you're going to get good news, a lot of new beginnings, something which is what you always desired is coming on the table for you. The opportunity is very right. It's a high time where I feel that you need to go ahead with it, and just bring in a lot of goodness as well with whatsoever you're doing. August month is going to prove you that it's all under your energies. You just can do it. Do not let yourself down. Do not lose any kind of opportunities. Please work harder on it. Look up at it in the various types, or stand and look at it at the various angles as well, because what it is happening, what it is doing, it is going to build in lots of I think different you version of yours, okay? A true version. Aries where you are very much innocent looking, where you are too much in this love with this individual, where you are wanting to share this beautiful tangible thing with your partner, where you are trying to provide them stability, but they are coming in and providing you stabilities. Very importantly, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn is desiring for you. You want to be with them, and I do feel here that you are ready to let go of all the past things. No thinking about what happened in the past, present. You just are focusing on your current scenarios and the future, okay? So that is where I feel that you're providing yourself in the very hard terms. You're trying a lot more in your life. Your efforts are very high, and yes, August month is going to prove you very beneficial, very productive, as well as it's going to bring in lots of good news as well. Okay, and I'm gonna read you one oracle card for you. It's very important for you. August month card. Universe, please give us an August month card. So we have two cards, and I'm gonna read both of it for you. First says Angelite, spiritual and religious community. Join with like-minded people for friendship and increase spiritual growth. It's very important. Universe is telling you to please build connection with the people who you share mutual feelings. Also, you share a mutual mindset where this individual takes you to the spiritual growth and never declines you, okay? Second states, find your bliss. I'm following a path I love, and I'm fully aligned to my soul's purpose. I think you just have to say, Aries, people have gone through a lot of goodness, lot of beauty over here, and genuinely the universe is guiding you. It's helping you. It's giving you the desired results which you really want in your life. Thank you so very much for watching it till here. If you have come till here, guys, at least please do subscribe, like our video, do comment anything which comes in your mind. The top first, just comment and tell us. And for the personal reading, you know what to do. Just watch, go and check out the description box, okay? Details are over there. And thank you so very much. Loads of love and blessings to you people, ladies.